Namaste friends. My name is Tanvi.
My name is Chetan.
Today in my new video I am going to tell how to make a special poha. It is a mix of vegetables and spices. This poha is loved by Maharashtrians as a breakfast. So friends, today in my video I am going to tell you how to make a special poha like the Maharashtrians and enjoy at home. So friends, come on, join with me. The things we need to make a special poha are lemon, chili, chopped capsicums, chopped tomato, potato, carrot. We need chopped chilies, chopped onions, coriander and curry leaves. Some spices like red chili powder, jeera powder and turmeric powder, few groundnuts, mustard seeds and jeera, salt to taste and sugar, rice flakes, water to soak the rice flakes. Friends, it looks very delicious. Okay friends, finally our special poha got ready. You can also have fun enjoying the tasty poha. Seriously friends, it looks very tasty and delicious. Ooh, it's very delicious.
Oh, it is very delicious.
Thank you friends.
Thank you, friends.